London is suffocating under its own weight. Beneath our feet, a silent warfare against time and space has officially begun. Welcome to the absolute frontier of modern infrastructure, the Crossrail project. An engineering marvel engineered to defy the brutal constraints of physics and fluid urban space. As the giant tungsten carbide teeth of our tunnel boring machine initialize their rotation, a matrix of digital HUDs scans the cold steel. We are carving 118 kilometers of new destiny through the historic bedrock. System online. The architecture of dominance is active.
Look at the fluctuation here. The pressure on the central support is reaching critical levels.
The ultimate challenge is not merely dealing with raw earth and stone. It is navigating a 1,000-year-old historic labyrinth. Beneath the bustling streets lies a high-risk maze of Victorian water mains, modern fiber-optic grids, and active subway lines. Through the dark, cold voids, our engineers deploy advanced laser scanners, casting a clinical neon glow over the subterranean targets. One single miscalculation could bring a high-rise district crashing down. In this zero-tolerance zone, precision is no longer measured in meters, but in absolute millimeters. Logic must conquer chaos. weighing 1,000 tons and stretching the length of an entire train. These are the titans of Crossrail, the tunnel boring machines. Watch these mechanical apex predators devour solid clay and instantly leave behind flawless concrete tunnel rings. Inside the futuristic control capsule, dozens of microprocessors monitor every parameter under crushing pressure 24/7. Listen to the satisfying pneumatic hiss and the steady roar of progress. These monsters are the beating heart of a subterranean empire.
We finally made it! Yes, we did it! Yes, we did it! Check the tension on that bolt, B. Reading 500 Newton meters. Verified on the schematic.
These are not merely train stations. These are modern underground cathedrals. Creating these colossal subterranean sanctuaries, like Canary Wharf deep beneath the water level, requires structural reinforcing never before seen in human history. Watch the slow-motion dance of shotcrete flying through the air under high-intensity floodlights. From raw, heavy structural steel to minimalist architectural symmetry, we are turning a brutal excavation into an elite vision of the future. Pure mechanical dominance.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch your spacing.
The next train arriving at Platform 8 is the Heathrow Express.
Raw physical power is nothing without absolute artificial intelligence. Along the dark tunnel walls, high-voltage violet fiber optics pulse with real-time data flow, connecting every station into a single neural network. 3 completely different signaling systems must execute a flawless, silent dialogue to ensure a Class 345 train arrives precisely every 150 seconds. Inside the Master Command Center, the city's pulse is tracked with millisecond foresight. Optimization has achieved autonomy.
Is the Romford crossover clear?
Checking now. Looks like track 1 is still occupied until 0800.
Using the CBTC system, trains establish virtual moving blocks around themselves. This allows them to operate safely at optimal distances.
The Elizabeth Line is no longer a blueprint. It is a monument to human unity and engineering supremacy. As the silver trains break into the golden dawn, a new benchmark for global infrastructure is officially established. Conquering the impossible, transforming billions in revenue into seamless human mobility. The global grid has evolved, and London is officially ready for the future. Syntech Industries, manufacturing the future. Fade to black.
Keep a close eye on the pressure on the cutter head.
It's stable. We are making excellent progress through this section.